Welcome back to the QSUpali YouTube channel. I hope you have learned something from my previous videos. I wish to continue with this video to discuss the balance of preliminary items deemed necessary for pricing. I hope you have already downloaded the link to the BOQ uploaded in my previous video 29 and 30. For your easy reference, I will upload the same here after the clip of this video in the description box. Cleaning up. Site cleaning up is the removal of all construction debris, excess and waste materials, which includes the interior and exterior of the building areas that have been generally affected by the construction work. As per the contract, the areas of the building's interior and exterior cleanup are to be carried out on a day-to-day basis as required by the main contractor to the complete satisfaction of the client. A final cleanup takes place after the construction work is completed, followed by interior debris and dust control, waste removal, and final exterior cleaning. The following calculation is for general estimation purpose only. This must not be used to guarantee an equal end figure for the cleanup. Manpower and equipment are the minimum requirements. Manpower. Please refer day work schedule in the BOQ. 2 number unskilled laborers equals 8 Qatar per hour into 8 hours into 30 days into 12 months into 2 number equals 46,080 Qatar. Type of equipment. Cleaning equipment average monthly charge 1,000 Qatar per month into 12,000 Qatar. Therefore, the total cleanup is 46,080 plus 12,000 equals 58,080 Qatar. Access road to site. Access roads are temporary roads constructed for vehicles to travel into and through project sites. For low-cost and low-traffic temporary access roads are best constructed along a temporary alignment access pathway. Access roads for heavy construction vehicles may require gravelling to reduce sediment-laden runoff. Ground-level access roads are constructed by cutting surface vegetation and topsoil to 150 minimum depth and excavating to form a 250 mm thick subbase width to the desired about 5 meters. Cart away surplus excavated material and level and compact the bottom of the base filled with gravel and compact it to receive 95 of the standard factor. The gradient is between 1 and 4%. Example. Assume the length of the pathway is 120 meter long. The calculation is for general estimation purpose only. This must not be used to guarantee an equal end figure for the access road. For your easy reference, the summary of the estimation is as follows. 1. Cuttings of topsoil including vegetation up to 150 mm in depth equals 5 meter into 120 meter length of pathway into 0.15 meter depth equals 90 meter cube. A dozer caterpillar D6 removes earth 100 meter cube per hour at the rate of Qatar 800 Qatar per 8 hours a day equals 800 divided by 8 hours equals 100 Qatar per hour. Diesel consumption 25 liters per hour at the rate of 2 Qatar per liter equals 25 into 2 equals 50 Qatar. Operator cost 20 Qatar per hour. Total dozer caterpillar hire cost equals 100 plus 50 plus 20 equals 170 Qatar. 2. Shovel truck load and unload earth 112 meter cube per hour at the rate of 800 Qatar per 1 day. The hourly cost of the shovel truck equals 800 divided by 8 hours equals 100 Qatar per hour. B. Diesel consumption 92 liters per hour at the rate of 12 Qatar riyal per liter equals 92 into 2, 184 Qatar riyal. C. Operator cost 20 Qatar riyal per hour. Total shovel truck hire cost equals 100 plus 184 plus 20 equals 304 Qatar riyals. 3. Earth dumping yard distance is assumed as 30 km away from the site. The dump truck transport earth 14 meter cube per trip at the rate of 400 Qatar riyal per 8 hours a day with a total number of 8 trips. Each trip takes approximately 1 hour. The total required trip equals 90 meter cube divided by 14 meter cube equals 7 trips up and down. A. The higher cost of the dump truck for 7 trips equals 400 divided by 8 into 7 equals 350 Qatar riyals. Diesel consumption 3 km per 1 liter at the rate of 2 Qatar riyal per liter. B. The cost for 7 trips equals 2 into 30 km divided by 3 into 7 trips into 2 Qatar riyal equals 280 Qatar riyal. C. Operator cost 20 Qatar riyal per hour into 7 hours equals 140 Qatar riyals. Total dump truck hire cost equals 350 plus 280 plus 140 equals 770 Qatar riyals. 4. Labor requirement 2 numbers per day, minimum for holding safety flags, removing obstacles, barricading, etc. equals 8 Qatar riyal per hour into 8 hours into 2 equals 128 Qatar riyals. 5. Excavate for subbase up to 250 mm depth equals 5 meter into 120 meter length of pathway into 0.25 meter depth equals 150 cubic meter. TBL excavator can dig up to 1.5 meter depth and excavate 150 meter cube per 1 day. The higher cost of the TBL excavator per day equals 800 Qatar riyal. B. Diesel consumption is 80 liters per day at the rate of 2 Qatar riyal per liter. 80 into 2 Qatar riyal equals 160 Qatar riyal. C. Operator cost 20 Qatar riyal per hour into 8 hours equals 160 Qatar riyal. Total TBL excavator hire cost equals 800 plus 160 plus 160 equals 1120 Qatar riyals. 6. Shovel truck load and unload earth 112 meter cube per hour at the rate of 800 Qatar riyal per 1 day. The hourly cost of the shovel truck equals 800 divided by 8 hours into 2 equals 200 Qatar riyal per hour. B. Diesel consumption 92 liters per hour at the rate of 2 Qatar riyal per liter equals 92 into 2 into 2 equals 368 Qatar riyal. C. Operator cost 20 Qatar riyal per hour into 2 hours equals 40 Qatar riyal. Total shovel truck hire cost equals 200 plus 368 plus 40 equals 608 Qatar riyal. 7. Earth dumping yard distance is assumed as 30 km away from the site. The dump truck transport earth 14 cubic meter per trip at the rate of 400 Qatar riyal per 8 hours a day with a total number of 8 trips. Each trip takes approximately 1 hour. The total required trips equals 150 cubic meter divided by 14 cubic meter equals 11 trips up and down. A. The higher cost of the dump truck for 11 trips equals 400 divided by 8 into 11 equals 550 Qatar riyal. Diesel consumption 3 km per 1 liter at the rate of 2 Qatar riyal per liter. B. The cost of 11 trips equals 2 into 30 km divided by 3 multiplied by 11 trips into 2, 440 Qatar riyal. C. Operator cost 20 Qatar riyal per hour into 11 hours into 220 Qatar riyal. total dump truck high cost equals 550 plus 440 plus 220 equals 1210 Qatar riyals. 8. Plate compactor used for the compact of the bottom of excavation with an efficiency of 800 meters square per hour. Fuel consumption is 1.5 liters per hour. Area of compact 120 meter length into 5 meter width equals 600 meter square. A high cost of the plate compactor equals 400 Qatar riyal per day divided by 8 equals 50 Qatar riyal. B. Diesel cost equals 150 liter per day into 2 Qatar riyal equals 3 Qatar riyals. D. Operator cost equals 20 Qatar riyal per hour. Total plate compactor higher cost equals 50 plus 3 plus 20 equals 23 Qatar riyals. 9. Backfill with imported granular material. Tipper truck transport imported granular 14 cubic meter per trip. Diesel consumption is 1 liter per 3 kilometer. The cost of imported granular is free of charge. The tipper truck transport imported granular 14 cubic meter per trip at the rate of Qatar 400 per 8 hours a day with a total number of 8 trips. Each trip takes approximately 1 hour. The total required trips equals 150 cubic meter divided by 14 cubic meter, 11 trips up and down. A. The higher cost of the tipper truck for 11 trips, 140 divided by 8 multiplied by 11 equals 550 Qatar riyals. Diesel consumption 3 km per 1 liter at the rate of 2 Qatar riyal per liter. B. The cost of 11 trips equals 2 into 30 km divided by 3 multiplied by 11 trips into 2 Qatar riyal equals 440 Qatar riyal. C. Operator cost. 20 Qatar riyal per hour into 11 hours equals 220 Qatar riyals. Total tipper truck high cost equals 550 plus 440 plus 220 equals 1210 Qatar riyal. 10. The dozer truck spread imported granular 56 cubic meter per hour at the rate of 800 Qatar riyal per 1 day. The higher cost of the dozer truck equals 800 Qatar riyal divided by 8 hours into 3 equals 300 Qatar riyal. B. Diesel consumption 57 liters per hour at the rate of 2 Qatar riyal per liter equals 57 into 3 into 2 Qatar riyal equals 342 Qatar riyal. D. Operator cost 20 Qatar riyal per hour into 3 hours into 60 Qatar riyals. Total dozer truck higher cost equals 300 plus 400, 342 plus 60 equals 702 Qatar riyal. 11. 8 to 10 ton road roller used for compact of the imported granular with an efficiency of 240 meters square per hour. Fuel consumption is 12 liters per hour. Area of compact equals 120 meter length into 5 meter width equals 600 meters square. Time for compaction equals 600 meters square divided by 240 meters square per hour equals 2.5 hours. High cost of the road roller equals 800 Qatar riyal per day divided by 8 multiplied by 250 hours equals 250 Qatar riyals. C. Diesel cost equals 12 liters per hour into 2.5 hours into 2 Qatar riyal equals 60 Qatar riyals. D. Operator cost equals 20 Qatar riyal per hour into 2.5 hours equals 50 Qatar riyals. Total road roller hire cost equals 250 plus 60 plus 50 equals 360 Qatar riyal. 12. Labor requirement 2 numbers per day minimum for holding safety flags, removing obstacles, barricading, etc. equals 8 Qatar riyal per hour into 8 hours into 2 equals 128 Qatar riyal. The total cost of access road equals 170 plus 304 plus 770 plus 1 128 plus 1120 plus 608 plus 1210 plus 73 plus 1210 plus 702 plus 360 plus 128 equals 6,783 Qatar riyals. Thank you. Please wait for my next video for the continuation of the discussion on the preliminary work, pricing and other related schedules. I will be pleased if you are motivated by the desire to explore the value of the fields necessity that would contribute to the construction industry. Please refer to the description box below for the written description of this video clip. With a positive attitude and a growth mindset, keep moving forward and explore the field. I will see you in the next video. If you are inspired and learned something in this video, please click like. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell button to notify my upcoming videos and share with others too.